Hello class 9. In our last computer class, we started chapter 8 iterative constructs in Java. Today we are going to discuss some programming questions based on the for loop. We discussed the for loop is used to repeat a statement or a set of statement for the fixed number of times. So today's first question is write a program to display the first 10 even numbers. To display the first 10 even numbers. We know the first 10 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So let us see the question. The program public class even number, class name even number, meaningful class name, public static void main method line. In this program also nothing to import and no need to create the scanner object because we are not doing any inputting in all these programs. For int e equal to 2, e for even number, the initial value of e is 2, e less than equal to 20. The loop will repeat, this body of the loop will be repeating for how many times till the value of e is either less than 10 or equal to 10, and updation is by 2. This time not like the first program by 1, updation is by 2. So after 2 plus 2 becomes 4, after 4 plus 2 becomes 6, then plus 2 becomes 8. Updation is e plus equal to 2. Okay, so see, first time value of e is 2, 2 less than 20. Yes, the system out println 2, e means 2 is printed. Now then it goes for the updation, e plus equal to 2 means e equal to e plus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Come for the checking. The condition 4 less than 20, no, print 4. Again 4 plus 2, 6. Again check the condition, 6 less than 20, no, print 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 less than 20, no, print 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 less than 20, no, print 10. Like this 12, 14, 16, 18. After 18, 18 plus 2, 20. The 20 is less than 20, no, 20 equal to 20, yes, the print 20. Again it goes for the updation, 20 plus 2, 22. Comes for the checking, 22 less than 20, no, 22 equal to 20, no, condition becomes false. So it stops the loop and terminates and program is over. Now let us see this program in BlueJ and get the output. Program is already typed even number. Public class even number for int equal to 2, e less than equal to 20, e plus equal to 2, system out println e. Then next e, compile the program, no syntax error, get the output, and here comes the output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. The program is printing the first 10 even numbers. Okay, and here the output comes. So this was today's first programming question, that is to print the first 10 even numbers. The question number 2 is write a program to display the first 10 odd numbers. Like even number starting from with 2, the odd numbers starting with 1, so it is printing first 10 odd numbers, displaying first 10 odd numbers to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 till 19. To see the initialization for int odd equal to 1, odd less than or equal to 99, odd plus equal to 2. In the case of odd number also updation is by 2. The value is increased by 2, so updation will be plus equal to 2. The odd value is 1. 1 is less than 19. Yes, the system out println odd. So 1 is printed. Now next 1 plus 2, 3. Come here, check the condition, 3 less than or equal to 19. Yes, 3 is less than 19. To print 3. Again go for the updation, 3 plus 2, 5. Odd equal to odd plus 2 means 3 plus 2, 5. Come for a checking, 5 less than equal to 19. Yes, the print 5. Then again 5 plus 2, 17. Come and check, 17 less than equal to 19. Yes, the print 17. Then 17 plus 2. Like this it will go on increasing the value by 2, and the moment that when the time comes after printing 19, then 19 plus 2 becomes 21. 21 less than or equal to 19? No, it is more than 19, so condition becomes false and loop is terminated and stops the program. Now let us see the output. Odd number. This is the program. Compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. OK. And 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. First 10 odd numbers are printed. Once again see. Right click. Void main. OK. Here the output 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Alright. Now next programming question is, write a program to display the table of 5. The program is printing table of 5. Table of 5 means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. It will print 5 to 50. And what is the updation? Updation will be 5. 5, 10, 15 increasing by 5. So initialization for int t equal to 5. Checking condition t less than equal to 50. The loop will be repeating how many times till the value of t is less than equal to 50. Updation t plus equal to 5. The t equal to 5. The 5 is less than or equal to 50. It is not equal to 50 but it is less than 50. The system out println t means 5 is printed. Again go for the next t. T plus equal to 5. The 5 plus 5 becomes 10. Come and check the condition. 10 is less than equal to 50. Yes, then print 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Check condition. 15 less than equal to 50. Yes, the print 15. Again 50 plus 5. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 less than equal to 50. Yes, then print 20. Again 20 plus 5, 25. Come and check the condition. 25 less than equal to 50. Yes, so it will go on increasing the value. Check the condition and print the value of t till 50. After printing 50, 50 plus 5 becomes 55. The 55 is less than equal to 50. The condition becomes false. So it terminates the loop. Now let us see this program. The output of this program, table of 5, int t equal to 5, t less than equal to 50, t plus equal to 5, system out println t. Compile, no syntax error, and get the output. Here is the output 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, the program is correct, printing the table of 5. Okay, now next question is, write a program to print sum of first 10 natural numbers. Sum of first 10 natural numbers. The sum of first 10 natural numbers: 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21 up to 10. The sum of first 10 natural number comes 55. So the output must be sum equal to 55. See the program. Int, we have taken a variable s for a sum. The int s equal to 0. For int n equal to 1, n less than equal to 10, n plus plus. In the body of the loop, we are not printing. You are finding the sum of the series. The s equal to s plus n. The n value is 1. The 1 is added. Go for the next updation. The 1 plus plus 2. Come and check condition. 2 less than 10. Yes, then 2 is added here in the same series s. Again 2 plus plus 3. 3 less than 10. Yes, then 3 is added. Again 3 plus plus 4. 4 is less than 10. Yes, again 4 is added. 4 plus plus 5. 5 is less than 10. Yes, then 5 is added. 5 plus plus 6. 6 is less than 10. Yes, then 6 is added. Like this. Till after adding till 10 all the numbers in the body of the loop, 10 plus plus becomes 11. The 11 is less than or equal to 10. Condition becomes false. It comes out of the loop. It terminates the loop and comes out. And when it comes out of the loop, there is a printing line, system out println sum equal to s. The sum of all the 10 natural numbers are printed, that is 55. Okay. So let us see. sum of natural number. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. OK. Sum equal to 55. Alright. So one more program. Today's last programming question what we are going to discuss is write a program to display the first 10 terms of the following series. It is given in the exercise. Question number 5.1. 1, 4, 9, 16 up to 10 terms. So how the series is coming? 1 square 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 5 25, 6 into 6 36, 7 into 7 49, up to 10 into 10 100, and it is printing in the one line only. So line will not be changed. So public class series 1, int I equal to 1, I is the first number, I less than equal to 10, 10 is the last number, I plus plus. System out print, you do not want to change the line. So system out print I into I, the I value is 1, to 1 into 1, 1 is printed. Then again go for the next I plus plus, it becomes 2. 2 is less than 10, yes, the print in the same line after one blank space, after one this blank space 2 into 2, 4 is printed. Again go for the next 3 I plus plus 3, 3 less than 10, yes, then 3 into 3, 9 is printed. The next 4, 4 into 4, 16 is printed. Next 5, 5 into 5, 25 is printed. So like this, it is going to print the first 10 terms. Alright. Now see this program. Series 1. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Now see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. So we got the correct output according to question. So in today's class what we have learned, we have practiced some programs, some small programs based on the for loop, and you write all these programs in your copy and practice. Thank you.